In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the email address of a Pinterest account in 2026. The main method we're focusing on is checking whether the Pinterest user has linked a website on their profile and then using that website to look for a public contact email. This is one of the most practical and legitimate ways to find a business or creator's preferred email address, especially if they use Pinterest to promote a brand, blog, store, or professional content. To begin, go to Pinterest and open the profile of the account you want to check. Once you're on their profile, take a close look for a website link. Some users, especially businesses, creators, and public-facing brands, add their website directly to their Pinterest profile so visitors can learn more about them outside the platform. If you see a website listed, click or tap on that link to open it. This will take you away from Pinterest and onto their external site. At this point, the goal is not to search randomly around the website, but to look in the places where contact details are most commonly shared. Start by checking for pages labeled Contact, About, or Contact Us. These sections are usually found in the top menu, the footer area at the bottom of the site, or sometimes in a side menu on mobile devices. Businesses and content creators often use these pages to share the best way to reach them for support, partnerships, press inquiries, or general communication. When you find one of those pages, look carefully to see whether they've listed a business email address or a support email address. In many cases, this is the official email they want people to use, which makes it much more useful than trying to guess or search for personal contact information. Keep in mind that some websites may not show an email directly and may instead provide a contact form. If that happens, it usually means they prefer to be contacted through that form instead of displaying an email publicly. This method works especially well because many businesses and creators intentionally publish their preferred contact details on their own websites. That means you're using a public, permission-based source rather than trying to access anything private. And that's it. If the Pinterest profile includes a website, open it, head to the Contact, About, or Contact Us page, and check for a listed business or support email. It's simple, direct, and often the most reliable place to look.